Before we start, take a look at this video I just created.
In 1910, a remote mountain town seemed perfectly ordinary when night fell. By sunrise, it was silent. Doors stood open. Meals remained unfinished. A lantern still burned inside one house, but not a single resident could be found. No footprints led away from the town. Searchers found clothing, tools, and personal belongings exactly where people had left them. Theories spread for decades, but no explanation was ever proven. Whatever happened that night, the town was never inhabited again.
It looks like it took hours to make, right? But here's the crazy part. This paper-cut Vox-style animation is actually much easier to create than it looks, and you can make it completely free. And forget generating every image one by one or animating each scene separately. I'm going to show you a method where all your images can be generated at once and all your video scenes can be created at once, saving you a ton of time. So let's get started.
First, open ChatGPT. This is where we're going to generate the script and all the prompts. Next, open the master prompt PDF that I've provided in my Telegram channel. If you want the PDF, just comment prompt and I'll send it to you. Once you have it, copy the entire master prompt at once. Then come back to ChatGPT, paste it into the Ask Anything section and hit Generate. ChatGPT will then ask you what topic or story you want to create. Here, simply type whatever topic you want. For example, I'll write The Town That Vanished Overnight, 30-second long story. Then hit Generate again. ChatGPT will now create a 30-second script for your video. It will also ask whether you want to generate the voiceover or continue straight to the beats. I'll simply type Continue to skip the voiceover and move directly to the beats. Now, ChatGPT will break the script down into individual beats, and you can use a different visual for each beat. For this example, it generates a total of 10 beats. At the bottom, ChatGPT will ask you to type Next to generate the 10 image prompts. So I'll simply type Next. And within a minute, you'll have 10 ready-to-use image prompts, one for each beat.
Now, copy all 10 generated image prompts and head over to Google Flow. Click on New Project and wait for the Flow dashboard to load. Once it opens, paste all your image prompts here, select Agent, and simply hit Generate. Within a minute, all your images will be generated separately and at once. You don't have to generate them one by one like you may have done in the past. This method can save you a lot of time. Once all the images are generated, go back to ChatGPT and type Next to generate the action prompts. Then hit Generate. When the action prompts are ready, copy all of them and return to Flow. Paste the prompts there, make sure Agent is still selected, and hit Generate. Flow will now start converting all your images into videos at once. During the process, Flow may ask you to approve generating all the visuals. Simply tap Approve, and it will continue processing. After a few minutes, your moving Vox-style paper-cut animations will be ready. Finally, download all the generated visuals one by one. For the voice generation, go to Google AI Studio. First, remove all the speakers from the dashboard and keep only one speaker, since we only have one character speaking. Next, remove the text from the scene and sample context sections. On the right side, click on Gemini 3.1 and switch it to Gemini 2.5. Under speaker settings, choose whichever character you think works best for the voice. Then select the style, pace, and accent according to your preference. Now go back to ChatGPT and type, Give me voice instructions under 100 characters. Hit Generate, then copy the result ChatGPT gives you. Come back to Google AI Studio and paste that instruction into both sample context and audio profile. Next, return to ChatGPT and scroll back up until you find the script we generated at the beginning. Copy the entire script, come back to Google AI Studio, and paste it under the speaker you kept visible. Once everything is set up, simply click Run and wait for the voice to generate. After the voice is ready, click Download to save the audio. And with that done, we can finally move on to the last step. For the final editing, open CapCut and tap Create Project. Once the editing dashboard loads, you'll see the Import option. Tap on it and import all your generated visual clips along with the voiceover. Next, drag the voiceover onto the timeline. Then add all the visual clips in the correct order. To figure out the order, you can refer back to the Google AI Studio dashboard and check which clip was generated first and which one came last. Arrange them accordingly on the timeline. Once everything is placed, go back to ChatGPT and look at the visual beats we generated earlier. Use those beats as a reference to trim or extend each clip so that the visuals match the corresponding script lines perfectly. After the timing is complete, tap on Audio and search for some relevant background music. Pick whichever track fits your video best, add it to the timeline, and lower the volume so it doesn't overpower the voiceover. Once everything looks and sounds good, tap Export in the top right corner. Choose your preferred resolution, file name, and other export settings. Then tap Export again to save the final video to your device. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you found it helpful, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel for more updates, prompts, and resources.